Hello all. Today we will learn about how to do two-way data binding by using the signal. Now, if you see here, I have created a signal and the signal name I have given as name signal. Once I have done the two-way data binding by using the ngModel, you can see here there is some error. If I move my mouse here and you can see unsupported expression in a two-way binding. I am moving to the browser also, and in browser you see same error. I am getting it here also, unsupported expression in a two-way binding. It means we cannot use ngModel two-way data binding with the name signal. So how to solve this problem? So one technique is very straightforward. So one way to fix this problem is, instead of doing the two-way data binding here, I can use ngModel as a an ngModel to retrieve the data. And the second thing, if any changes I am doing on from the UI, I can make a call ngModel change, and I can make a method call something called update name. This is the way we can make it. So maybe I can write update name, and also I can pass the parameter. Now definitely I have to define this update name. So let me define first and then I will explain how to do it. So I'm moving to the component of TS. I have copied the code and I have pasted it. Now here you see it. What I have done, I have created here update name method. By using the update name method, I am using this name signal, and I can use either set method or I can use update method to update the value of the signal. And the new values I am setting it here, that is coming from this update name method here, from here, and it's working perfectly. Let me show you. I have saved the changes. Let me save the component of TS file also. Let me open the browser now and let me refresh the page. Now I think, let me write John, and it's working perfectly. The two-way data binding is working perfectly now. So this is the one way to do this data binding. So let me explain first why it was not working when I was doing the two-way data binding. It was not working because the signal is a function, not a property or a variable. Signal is a function. How we can confirm this? Let me go and click on the signal and go with this internal implementation. You can see the signal is a function, and that is the reason two-way data binding was not working, because the two-way data binding with ngModel required either getter or setter or a variable, but signal is a function. Now definitely it is not a good practice to write a boiler code here as I have written here. So from the Angular 18 onwards, Angular framework also supported two-way data binding directly with the signal. And how to do it? So I am going with the previous way I have written the code. So this is the previous code, and I have removed this also ngModel change. Now since signal is a function, I was using this parenthesis. Now if we wanted to do two-way data binding, just remove it, and now onwards it's started working. Now there is no compile time error. Let's see. Yes, compilation has been working perfectly. And let's see the code. Let me refresh the page once again and let me write John, and it's working perfectly. I'm using Angular 19 for this example, but it also works with 18 versions. Please comment and subscribe the channel if you are interested more on Angular. Thank you all.